Welcome. In front of me is a Blackview A200 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings. Next, scroll all the way down to System. And I scroll down and, oh, there we go. We're looking for reset options right over here. From here, select Erase All Data, Factory Reset. This will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which includes things like your music, photos, and basically all user data. So if anything from this list is something that you would like to keep, make a backup copy of it before you begin, assuming you don't have it already backed up. Anyway, once you've done so, you can then select Erase All Data. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it right here. So I'm gonna draw my pattern and then I'm gonna confirm it for the second time, Erase All Data. And this will now begin factory resetting our device. Now this process will take about a minute, 2 minutes possibly to finish up. And once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.